Hey everybody, Lance here, Lance's Car Life. You know, I haven't posted a video all year long, and a lot of that's because I've been very, very busy. Now, I got to thinking today on this Valentine's Day, what do I plan to do with this channel for 2022? Now, I'm going to keep it as short as brief as I possibly can. Now, it's all like everybody else, they want to grow their YouTube channel and how to grow the YouTube channel. Now, I'm not going to do one of these long videos just to drag it out. We're not talking about that today. But I want to talk about what my plan is going to be for this year. Now, first things first, obviously, I got to start doing more videos. That comes with the territory. Now, I thought about this in depth, like how I want to do it. Now, I told myself originally that I'm going to keep doing it exactly how I'm doing it now. Because I already know I don't do clickbait. I'm not going to do that. That's just selling yourself short and it kills you down the road, number one. Number two, I really don't do that many reviews. You know, I sell cars. A lot of you guys already know that. So why go out and do a review on a car if I absolutely don't have to? And besides, I leave that up to the professionals. That's what they do every day. 3. Now, I'm thinking the way I'm doing it now, because the software folks know I'm using OBS, like I'm just reading the article and giving my opinion. Now, I think that works well for me, especially I have multiple channels. I can actually sit, look at my monitor, read, and talk to you at the same time. So there is a plan to this channel. Now, do I want to get to the mythical 1,000 subs? Absolutely. Do I want to get 4,000 hours so I get monetized? Of course. Now that brings me to another thing. Do I really want something like a sponsor? Now this actually, the best way to describe it like this. Would I like to have a sponsor? Absolutely. Do I need a sponsor? No. At least not at this time. And what would I think about that? My biggest fear would be, it'd be conflict of interest. And let that sink in for a minute. I don't want somebody promoting me and expecting me to say good things. Like, let's give you a good example. I'm going to use General Motors, for instance. Let's say they decided, on the off chance, I know it's never going to happen, they're going to be a sponsor of this channel. If they got a bad product, I'm going to talk about it. I just feel uneasy with that, you know? But that's further down the road. Now, I want to also upgrade my equipment. And that goes without saying. I have a Canon M50. You know, I have a Yeti mic on here. It serves me good right now. But sooner or later, I want to upgrade. But like any YouTuber, you got to start somewhere. It's like you saw my lighting setup, and you can probably tell it's not the greatest in the world. Audio is just the room. I got no control over that. But I honestly think that big things are going to happen to this channel here in the next 6-7 months. But the first things first, I got to do more content, obviously, because the people seem to like it. And I'm a car guy talking to car people, number one, and you, my viewers, secondly. Well, folks, I'm going to get off here. Remember, do all those good things that they say you shouldn't say anymore, but you do. But I'm telling you to do it anyway. And this is Lance on Lance's Car Life.